That was a manly sound.
Why we don't feel like it.
Yeah, me and you are going to play this safe, aren't we, bro?
I'm going down this.
Yeah. Let's cut across. Keep an eye on Liam though in case something funny happens.
Like this.
He's doing well, to be fair.
There we go.
Your fault for saying I was doing well.
False confidence. Hey, he made it. We're not me. Yeah, we're definitely not doing that. Oh!
You go again.
He sort of saved it. Fair dinkum, bro.
Nailed it.
Here we go. Jake's found a safe way down. Nice. Made that look easy. My turn now. I'm definitely not going to film this.
Look at that.
Whoa! Why is that not cold? That's weird.
If there was a pool of that, you'd definitely be able to swim in there.
No dramas. That was mint.
I was just done 3 steps in the same place.
Damn it.
I'm not falling now.
Nightmare.
I missed it.
Wasting my internal storage for nothing right now. How that did not snap, I will never know. It's pretty skits, this. Slippy. It's gonna look like a Christopher Nolan film.
Welcome to a Fun Outdoors episode. Something.
19 now, I think. That's crazy.
It gets steeper. This steep hill hurts my skin. Oh, forest, please be my friend. Sorry, legs. Sorry, respiratory system.
That for a drop. Would you reckon looking a bit better for a camp now?
I feel like I'm losing vision. With every step I go closer to a blackout.
We'll catch you, mate.
Thank you, friend. Well, I'm Simon Sniff. I think it's time we stop for a brew.
And this right here is a gate. Is it a great gate? Hey, you've not even seen it yet, mate. Give it a chance. Come on through.
Welcome,
Does it feel alright? Feel good?
It's crossed the threshold.
Oh, there's no swing back. Or...
We'll do when that spring comes around.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Nice and slow. Smooth.
Told you it was. I remember this bit.
I remember this.
Yeah, this is clean, this.
Wasp. There you go.
There you go,
There
mate.
we are.
Should we,
I seen you on the camping page telling that guy it was a secret where you were going.
Yeah.
Right.
Of course, mate. I'm not telling no one.
Why? Why? Where are you going? Why? So you can come and tickle my feet in the night, you freak.
Sorry if you're watching this.
I'm not.
Don't ask again.
You want to tickle my feet? You ask permission first.
Right.
The answer's always yes.
It's brew time.
Alright.
Okay, mate.
Oh, bro. You got a cup handy?
I've got some tea, actually, thank
Are you alright?
Is this the best way to hope that way, then?
Great question, not a clue, mate.
What is 3G anyway? I mean, what's the point? I remember we used to use 3G and you got internet through 3G before 4G, and now it just doesn't...
And then now you don't get anything from it,
do
might as well
anything.
not have it, yeah. We go on aeroplane mode, we have everything down. Yeah, you get maps.me and you can use it offline, that's...
I know, well, I sort of...
I'm sure I should have downloaded it before I started, but anyway, too late now.
Anywho.
But,
Do you want me to check out? I'll check on my maps.
I'll check on mine now.
check.
I'm facing that way, and apparently I'm looking at it.
do you want to see my map? This is pretty useless. It's a photo out of a book. That's what I'm using.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, it's this path.
That's what I reckon it is. Like,
I put it on walking now. I was on driving a minute ago.
okay.
So this is that.
Yeah.
So if you
Oh,
keep
yeah.
following this path
pretty
and
cool.
then bear right at the bottom,
Yeah,
that should be
Okay.
it. Yeah, it's good, this app. You download all the maps before you start.
that's really helpful. Thanks.
Yeah, always. Yeah.
I didn't bring my water filter either because I didn't know there was going to be all these water sources.
Over the
If I
road
knew,
now. I think that's
would've
what
brought it.
that might be nice. You have to go around.
So yeah, this path takes you to Hope Village.
Fantastic. Oh yeah, you're firing that up.
That's nice.
Through time.
Through time. You ever seen a Jetboil before?
I've never used one of those.
It boils water in about 20 seconds.
It's pretty quick. I've put 3 brews worth of water in it though.
I've got a Thermarest.
And I've got the same as that, but what's mine? What's it called?
APG.
APG. Cheaper than that.
We've got 3 different types of coffees. We've got 3 of each.
Awesome.
So which one do we want first?
Oh, you got
Mix
the Taylors.
them all together.
Mix them all together.
Taylors, I want the early start.
Early flying start, yeah? Right,
I've just done 2 boxes at my house and the Lava Javas.
there we go then.
Just the 2 for a tenner.
That's what it is. That's what we're on. Got herbal teas for tonight.
I was
as well.
working at Ryan's one day doing a car. I had one of the Lava Javas. I've never fixed a car that fast before in my life. It's like rocket fuel.
Fantastic. Well, enjoy you. Have
Yeah,
a great
nice
night. Thanks
one,
for the
mate.
help.
Safe journey.
See ya.
If you could catch this, you can have it.
I've got some instant coffee as well for if need be.
Nah. You're not going to need that. Nice, aren't they?
So you leave it for
Yeah,
5 minutes.
packet.
Leave them for 5 minutes and keep squeezing the ever loving.
Yeah, because he said 2 minutes, and I'm like,
No, I leave them well longer.
weak.
Have you had the Lava Java one?
No, I've not had that one yet. I got the
Bro.
flying start instead.
Bro.
Is it good?
Bro.
Is it nice?
Listen, this is me paying you back for the soba noodles.
Oh, is it? Is this a repayment? Keep an eye on that for me.
Lava Java's the way to go.
We'll change this angle. Oh no!
One job with your
Asked you to do one thing, Liam.
and you laid down and sat there and did nothing.
You just watched.
Do you reckon it's boiled?
I reckon it needs a bit more, a couple more minutes, I reckon.
You brother? Brother. Here, brother. Did you actually leave your water in the car, by the way? You. Ah.
Right.
Our friend that we
Right,
will
no.
give some of our water to,
No, 'cause you know
just enough for him to survive.
Do you know what I'm gonna...
Right,
I found my rechargeable torch.
Did you? Oh, good.
Never guess where I found it.
In your bag.
Yeah. The only item in my bag.
Well, colour me psychic. Oh, it's wet already. This from the.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't mind. Check that out. Check clag out on top of that. Ew, where is that? What's the camp there? I'll show the camera. Oh, does look nice there. Look at that. That's banging.
I think that's Hope, because
Is it?
this is saying that's Sheffield, that's saying that's Hope. You've got EDL behind us, and then Glossop, where we just come from.
What I'll do is in post editing, I'll figure out what that is. It's raining a bit now, isn't it?
Nah. It's nature's way of cooling your brew down a bit.
Ah, okay. Nature infused brew.
The best kind.
I believe how muddy my boots are, my pants. Already. Means you're having a good time.
Oh, did you fall down a hill too?
No, so I don't know how they're so muddy.
Clean the back of my spoon up a bit. Got all the coffee grounds on it.
Yeah, just adding extra coffee.
Yeah. I brought extra toilet paper.
Liam is known as the spoon master.
No, a spoon.
Clean. Yeah, let them dry out on the floor in the rain.
I wonder what it was last time. So like,
I don't say, Jay.
I mean, I could just get mine out, but
Ah, you're alright, mate. Sweeties, and then keep going, eh? Cheers to sharing.
Friends.
By the way, you owe me some water for you, bro.
I stopped at Morrison's so he could go and get something to cook and get some beer. Then I walked out. When we left, I drove off and I was like, yeah, I hope I brought enough water. And he went, oh, water. I had to stop at Nisa. And he still forgot the water.
You got beer, though?
oh, of course I got beer. Obviously.
Priorities.
I'm Jake Stafford and welcome to Surviving in the Wild.
So what you need is a can of Elvis juice, and that'll sort you right out.
So all the nutrients you need. Once you get to this point, it's raining, you're on your own, and you're running low on supplies. All you need to do is bring 2 of your better prepared friends with you.
Cheers to good advice.
Jake on a solo.
Do you reckon you two will squeeze through that? You have not unlocked this path. More XP required.
More cut needed.
I will have to go through this sideways.
What, are we rating it?
Yeah, that's not a great gate. That's a
Yeah, that's hazardous. So that's straight away. That's a big red flag. And then that hooks on to thin air. Super secure. I like it. Minimalist design.
I rate it gate out of 8. Oh, sick.
Ice.
Piece of ice on the floor.
Wow.
Stepped on it, broke it over. Which is weird because we are sweating.
Yeah, doesn't take much, does it? It's been a pretty big mission, this though. Feels good. Get the cobwebs off. More ice there. Nice. Oh, there's loads.
How high we are, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, we are pretty high altitude now. Light trickle of rain. Got the tents up just in time. Nothing too bad. Managed to find some flat spots on this very hilly bit of woodland.
It is now 4:10.
4:10.
absolutely boxed it off.
Honestly.
What did you say, crab?
What is that?
That's the Aluft Pro.
Oh, it's got like a fabric on
Hey,
it.
it's got a bit of memory foam there.
Nice. Look at that.
There we go.
Look at that. Nice.
Very nice.
Not quite.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Gonna be waiting a while.
Why is this offline outdoors video 12 hours long?
Whoa! Oh, it went further.
That's not bad actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna go at your pace, bro. Liam, aka the Log Father. Boy.
Told you.
Smashed it. Ready for processing. Yeah, let's get the quilt on. The quilt's been squeezed to an inch of its life for ages. It's just tough, this stuff, because it's like glue.
What doesn't want to leave it?
It wants me to be a part of the fire.
Yeah, that'll do.
This episode is sponsored by
Oh
Vaseline.
no, you dropped one.
Oh, no.
Annoy you.
Annoy. Vegetable oil starter cubes. Very vegan of me. Right, let there be light.
On tonight's episode of Top Gear, Jordan lights a fire.
We
Jake
fucking
wears a
know.
head torch.
Liam's
Oh, bro.
I'll just beep all of that.
Is it lit?
Let's try it.
Oh, that's warm. That is warm.
Yeah, these little bits of shards.
Right, give that a minute and I think we'll
Yeah, now
be
Mary
on a
Ray.
winner.
I've not even buttoned my shirt up yet. I've not had my aircon on. I've got your aircon on, have you? Yeah, I'm freezing. George, you've got no pants on.
Might go put my fleece on. Let you boys
You
keep.
stood there in a pair of Speedos when my legs are cold. Seems to me you've done a fantastic job there, Jack.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cracking.
Proper hear the water evaporating. Oh, a bit of rain.
What's he doing?
It's only trickling. Be right,
It
mate.
could even just be dripping off the trees from earlier.
Yeah, if a little bit of wind gets them. Feels like snow, actually.
It's definitely not snow. It's not cold enough for that.
I just need to get like a piece of wood over it. They proper catch, but then it's getting other things to catch.
Doesn't want to do it, does it?
No, it's really wet wood. There's no feeling of presence like trying to get a fire going when it's cold. You are so in the moment. You haven't got a chance to think about anything else.
How are you even talking right now? You should be so far in the zone.
I actually don't know. I don't think I'm the one actually talking right now.
Just your assistant filled us in on why you're going so quiet.
This is the co-pilot
This is an
talking.
automated response from Jordan Moore.
This is the co-pilot talking here. We have an announcement. The pilot is currently busy manifesting fire. I repeat, the pilot is manifesting fire.
If I heard that down the tannoy on a plane, I would panic.
Fucking trolling, innit?
No.
Listen, mate. You gotta believe it to see it.
What, boys?
You've got to.
To be fair, you can feel that a little bit. This heat there.
I know. It's just everything. We are, like I said, we're fighting an uphill battle. But once we get past a certain point on the hill, it's smooth sailing. Then.
Have we gone from the hill to the sea?
Right. Plan of action.
Panic and freeze.
Yeah.
Like a
Well,
proper adult.
at least chopping wood will keep us warm. Here we go.
Are we going to win this time? Stay tuned. My thumb is on fire.
We've worked hard enough for this. Have a nice day.
Nothing is burning.
Should we try the Jetboil idea?
It's always worth a go. Which one should I burn?
Maybe one of them. Yeah, it's like a proper thin stick. Ah, yeah. I know what I was going to say, if that doesn't set on fire with that, then we've got no chance.
Yeah, then all this wood's going to be a waste.
Yeah, and we've prepared so much, like you can see it all. Put some real graft in here.
Maybe for nothing.
I mean, if that doesn't set it alight, nothing will really, will it?
I wouldn't have thought so. If they put this in under there as a charcoal, then it can possibly light on its own.
Oh!
Is that a piece of the wood as well?
Yes.
Yes.
Eh?
How do you like your stick, Jake? Hopefully well done.
Yeah, they do burn, the shavings. Just not very well. Keep going, mate. You'll get it. Try and get it in frame.
Sweet treat.
Where is it?
Every time.
You'll get it, mate. You'll get it. I don't even know if you can see the target on the phone here. There it is. Can't see it on the 0.5 zoom. There you go.
Got ya.
There you go, mate. Zoom in there. See the king swing. Oh, nice. Pitch invasion.
What?
Pitch invasion.
Oh, this is all back. Brutal.
Cheers, fella. Nice one. Legend. Nice one, mate. Cheers. Cheers, thanks.
Step back a bit and do it.
Huh?
Step back a bit because it can't see the axe rotate. Nice.
Why is this good aesthetic?
Yeah.
Who wants to see me cut my fingers off?
Always.
I missed.
Oh, skimmed it. Proper wedged in that as well.
Good at that. Hit it right on the point.
Yeah. Where am I standing? Where am I releasing?
So your leading foot is going to step on line with this tree and that'll be your start point. And then depending on where the axe hits, we'll move forward on that.
There you go. First try.
Any training, did it?
Jake's is landing perfectly. I'm going to try and do a trick shot. But I have to move my foot position. I think I can't remember if I had to be further back or forward from when I did it. I'll just try it and see what happens.
Yeah, so.
Whoa!
Nice. That was perfect.
That's so. You could hang your
And I
clothes
got
off
really good at doing them at the axe throwing place.
Wait, it's a coat hanger. Full of that. That's it. Because the rotation's different, so I need to stand at a different starting point.
The tree steps out of the way.
So you're saying here?
There you go.
Yeah.
I got taught quite a lot at the axe throwing place.
Oh,
That hit with the head.
Yeah, it wasn't far off that.
how do you do that? Like this?
Yeah, you have to move your body weird, so you have to just your arms just lazy swinging, keep your wrist straight. I think you can probably help keep your thumb there maybe, just keep it in line. And then you time it so that you let go as you step, and you just sort of weirdly drop your back into it.
Right.
I never got the hang of it. So you had the right rotation there.
Yeah.
Just finding the distance, because it's a different distance again.
Yeah. I feel like that'll be really satisfying.
Tree again.
Stay there. Jake's so down. Jake, now you've got to try the trick shots though.
Yeah,
That's what they made us do. Once we had solid shots, you have to try the tricks. Imagine it would have piked it up there, there's no way of getting it back.
Well, my aim was to get like that, get higher up, so I would have had to jump to grab it. But I'm not going to do that again. Oh.
That happened before, it punted with the back and it just missiled back. Yeah.
Oh, a bit harder.
Bit more. You thinking that was going to go? Hey, nice.
Ready for whistle punk the lad.
Hey.
Long shot.
Double spin. So you want to try and exactly double your distance. I want to go.
Wait.
And throw in.
Oh, look at that.
That's how it's done.
Look at that.
Where's your foot there?
Yeah, pretty much.
That is buried.
Yeah, because of the distance. I'm just happy I hit the tree with the first one because it's so far away.
Look at that.
Put it down. So satisfying.
Tree.
I seen it again, stepping.
Stepping out of the way, mate.
Oh, you hit it then as well.
Yeah.
Oh, what's going
How's
on?
that not landed? That
I know.
hit it. There
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
About to fell a dead tree for the first time. Well, I've done it once before. It wobbles. Always let it fell a dead tree. Yeah, stop, bro. What we need to do is get rid of all the, because that's supporting it. Nice. Because that's not much in that now.
No, there isn't.
Ready to go.
Oh, yeah, let's get it on. There you go. Hey, there you go.
That was so cool.